Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word, step by step. This is useful for essays, reports, resumes, or any multi-page document. Step 1. Open your document. Open the Word file where you want to insert page numbers. If it's a new document, add some sample text so you can see the page numbers appear as you work. I will add blank pages for this example. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab. At the top of your screen, click on the Insert tab. Then look for the page number option in the header and footer section. Step 3. Choose the page number position. Click Page Number and choose where you want the numbers to appear. Top of page, header, bottom of page, footer, page margins. Current position, where your cursor is. For most documents, bottom of page gives plain number 2 centered, is a great choice. Step 4. Customize if needed. After inserting the page numbers, you'll automatically enter header or footer edit mode. You can format the font size or alignment if you want. To exit, just double-click back into the main document. Step 5. Optional. Start from a specific page. If you want your page numbers to start from a certain page, like skipping the title page, go to Layout Gives Breaks, Gives Next Page. Then unlink the headers and insert page numbers starting from the section you want. And that's it. Your document now has clean, professional page numbers. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials for more beginner-friendly guides. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on skipping page 1 or using Roman numerals.